How to reset games on Steam. So if you want to reset your games on your Steam, then you need to open up your Steam application, or you can also go for your browser. So I'll be comfortable with my browser. So open up your browser and then you need to open up your Steam under your browser, or you can also go for the application. So I'll be comfortable with my application. And once you open your application now, so you can either start it over or you can simply have a fresh start. So if you want fresh save or whatever it is, I'm going to show you two different ways to do this. But first off, there are certain games that this just isn't going to work. So any game that is a game as a service, like you see services, for example, Path of Exile, or an MMO, or a game that is updated and of everything's handled on the game servers. You're not going to be able to erase that game data from your computer because that's all on the cloud. Anyways, regardless, if you have single player game or a normal game within Steam, you're going to be able to do this. So the first thing you need to do within Steam is to open up your Steam. So log into your account and then go to the Steam you're in the left hand corner, go to settings. So you will have the settings option on the upper left of your screen. Simply go for that. And here you will have settings option. Click on settings and here you will have your Steam settings, right? So go ahead and go to your Steam settings and then navigate over to the cloud. Click on cloud. So here it says enable Steam cloud synchronization for applications which support it. So you need to simply toggle that off. So if this is turned on, then it will not going to work. So uncheck that box or uncheck the toggle off the button and go ahead and click on OK if you get an OK option. So once you've done that, the next thing you're going to do is click on the game that you want to reset or erase. Okay, so you need to simply remove this and then you need to open up a game that you would like to erase. So for example, you can simply choose any game that you're comfortable with. So you need to simply go for any game and then right click on that game and you need to go for the properties of that game. Now under the properties, you will find the local files option and that will be the option. So it'll let your computer browse the local files and it will be available. So what you need to do is find the folder or the file that has something to do with the saves. So you can double click on that folder and if you have any saves related to that game, then it will be there. So you need to select all of that and then you just need to delete them. So now you just need to go for your browser. So you will have this link, right? You need to simply copy the link and once you copy the link, you need to open up a browser and then you can simply paste that link. Once you've pasted that link here on the upper side, you can have 413150, right? You're going to see the app slash 413150 and slash. So now what you need to do is wherever your Steam folder is, you may have that folder on your PC or your C drive or any one of your folders. You just need to go for the program files and then you need to go for the Steam. You will have this kind of interface. You may have that under your local files or your any other drive or any other space. You need to simply go for the program files and under your program files you may have a Steam option. You need to simply search for the Steam and then you need to open up the Steam. So here if you search for Steam, here you will have Streamlabs but you won't have a Steam, right? So you may don't have that option right here. You can go for your other files and then you need to search for Steam and here you will have your Steam folder, right? So if you open up your Steam, here you will have all of these folders and under this folder what you need to do is select the user data. So here you may have a user data option. You need to simply go for the user data under your Steam. Here you will have the user data. Open up the user data, click that one and then open up the games that will be listed through numbers. So here you can see that if you open up the user data, you will have this kind of interface where you will have the numbers, right, that I have installed on my Steam account will be right here. So for now, I don't have any installed games, but I only have this one. So if you want to reset the game or just change that, what you need to do is simply right click on that folder and then you need to delete the folder. So by that, you can reset the games on your Steam. So that's it. That's how you can reset your games on your Steam. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.